Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to screen share on Discord mobile. So first of all, open up the Discord app right here. Alright, so once it opened up, let's click on the button in the top left corner and we will see the server that we are in. Okay, so that is my own server right here, but does not matter, you can do that on any server. Okay, and so now here are the text channel, and so what we will have to do is we have to find a voice channel where it says voice channels right here, and then let's click on one of them, does not matter, let's just click on the general one, and then right here once we are here we are going to have to click join voice, click on the button and then we join the voice. And so now this has changed a bit. Previously you could click on this button in order to share your screen, but now what you have to do is you have to okay, so when it looks like this you just have to press anywhere, it doesn't matter. Okay, and so then what you have to do is just sweep up from here, and then you have some advanced controls including share your screen, this button right here. So let's click on that one, and then my people will ask if I want to give this curate permission to share my screen, and so you can read that, and if that fine you can just click on start now and then Discord will start sharing your screen. And so now I can just go into another app or we will share whatever I wanted to share with on my screen, and the other people in the call will be able to see it. Okay, so if I want to stop sharing, I can either click stop sharing right here or down here there is also a stop sharing button, so click on that one and you will stop sharing. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching it.